I just got this 2-tier advent calendar from Eden Art and I'm so excited to open it. So for the day one, we got a high quality, beautiful travel watercolor brush. It has a good pointy tip. So for day two, we got some beautiful watercolor postcards. For day three, we got some oil-based color pencil. They're very high quality and beautiful color selection. Day four, we got some oil pastels. I got some gold and silver too. For day five, I got a beautiful watercolor set. It's an acrylic clear set. So cute and beautiful. I'm gonna use this forever. For day six, we got some acrylic markers. They have beautiful selection of colors and they have brush tip, which is very handy. So for day seven, I got some watercolor paper. They're 100% cotton, cold press, acid free. For day 8, I got a beautiful sketchbook. It can be used for sketch, drawing, or acrylic markers. For day 9, we got a beautiful, cute little mitten pin. For day 10, we got an artist eraser. Day 11, and here in this small section, we got something. Let's open. I was having some difficulty opening this section. Okay, so we got a pencil, a 4B pencil. Finally, day 12. I was very excited for this part because I have seen many videos with this mini art easel. Look at this. How cute is this? So this is pretty much I got from the first tier. Let's check out the second box. So this is the second box where I was having some help from my daughter. Day 13, I got some heavy body white acrylic paint. So day 14, I got this beautiful mop brush. I have the whole collection of this mop brush, but still I love it. So for day 15, my daughter wanted to help me open this up. So she got some wooden disc, mini wooden disc. These are good for painting. So for day 16, I got some beautiful pins. They are very useful for holding your notebook down from both sides. So this is day 17. We were having so much difficulty getting this out. So finally, what I got here is a candle holder, or probably you can use it for your watercolor, water, or holding your brush. That's beautiful.